This screencast demonstrates the difference between a dimension and a measure within a dashboard. Dashboards aggregate, summarize, and share data. Understanding how the dashboard classifies data allows for creation of meaningful representations and analysis. The dashboard divides data into two main types: dimensions and measures. A dimension is data that is classified as categorical, it can be ordered and sorted. A measure is numerical data. Mathematical functions such as summation and averaging can be performed. Every item on the dashboard, except an image, must be bound to data. When an item is selected, the data fields are displayed under the gear icon. Some fields are required, others are optional. Each field automatically classifies data as a dimension or measure. The exception to this is grids. The difference will be covered later in the screencast. Understanding if a field is assigned as a dimension or measure allows the user to determine how the data will be manipulated and what functions are available. Some fields are obvious: a hidden dimension is a dimension, and a hidden measure a measure. For others, the easiest way to determine the difference is to look at the menu options available. When data is entered into a field, and summary type becomes available, then the data is a measure. Mathematical functions can only be performed on measures. Values fields in all items are treated as measures. If non-numerical data is entered into a measure field, the dashboard will count the data to allow it to be treated as numerical. This can be demonstrated by adding category name to the values field in this pivot grid. The summary type appears, however, the options are more limited. The dashboard defaults to using count as the summary type. Here there were 405 category name entries in the data set. If data shaping or top N is displayed, then the field is a dimension. Arguments fields are always classified as dimensions. For example, if ship country is deleted from this pie, and unit price added as the argument, the dashboard classifies the unit prices as dimension data, and groups accordingly. In this example, the pie chart displays that beverages had 19 items with a unit price of $15. Grids are the only dashboard item where the data type can be determined by the user. When Add column is selected and data added, the dashboard will automatically set a data type, however this can be changed. In this example, category name is selected as the first column. The dashboard will designate it as a dimension, and data shaping options are available. Next, add a second column as category name, however this time select measure as the data type. The summary type is now available, and is automatically set to count as displayed. In summary, a dimension is data that is used to provide categorical information. A measure is used by the dashboard in aggregation, and mathematical functions can be performed. Understanding how the dashboard classifies data allows for the creation of meaningful and powerful data analysis tools.